In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a Visa gift card to PayPal. A quick heads up before we start. PayPal doesn't allow direct balance transfers from most Visa gift cards. The practical workaround is to add the gift card as a payment method, then send money to another PayPal account, including a second account you control. Begin by checking your Visa gift card. Make sure it's activated and has enough balance to cover the amount you plan to move, plus any potential fees. Visit the card issuer's website and register the card with a billing zip code. This address check is what PayPal uses to verify the card, and skipping it is a common reason cards get declined. Next, open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and sign in. Double check you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Now add the gift card to PayPal. Go to Pay and Get Paid, then select Bank and Cards. Choose debit or credit card and click Link a new card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV, and make sure the billing address matches the zip code you registered with the issuer. Click Link Card to save it. If PayPal says the card can't be linked, it may be a restricted prepaid card. Some gift cards aren't supported by certain merchants or wallets. If PayPal requests confirmation, they'll place a small temporary charge. Check your gift card's online transaction history for a short code in the charge description. Enter that code back in PayPal to confirm. In some cases, PayPal auto-verifies and no action is needed. With the card linked, you can send money. Tap Send and Request, enter the email of a second PayPal account or a trusted recipient, and type the amount. Choose the Visa gift card as the payment method. If available and appropriate, select Friends and Family to reduce fees. If you choose Goods and Services, PayPal will apply seller fees. Avoid entering an amount that exceeds the gift card's balance, as partial authorizations may fail. When everything looks right, tap Send. Finally, log into the receiving PayPal account and confirm the payment. The funds will appear in that account's PayPal balance. From there, you can withdraw to a linked bank account. Bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, though instant transfer options may be available for a fee, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.